Hi everyone, here we are at the Dollar Tree. Let's take a look at their Valentine's Day decor. So here are some balloons. Here are the little boxes with the handles, and those come in 3 sizes. And here they are in this design, and look, they have the truck. Okay, so they brought back these trinket hearts, and those come in that pink, in that green, and in that purple. And then they have these. These are real pretty. So they come in that clear, in that purple. There's the white and the pink on the bottom. Aren't they cute? And there's those jars in those colors. Okay, let's see what's over here. All right, so we have the little Valentine's Day monkeys in the white and in that pink. And here they are in the red. Here he is. And then that whole aisle over here, guys, is all candy. So then over here we have Be Mine. I like these boxes. So these also come in sizes. This one says Be Mine. That one has the hearts. The Valentine's Day. And then these are in the shape of a heart. Okay. So they come in that size. Then they have the little smaller ones over there. This one says Be Mine. Then they have the little plushies. Oh, look at this one. This is so cute. Okay, so this one has a truck. All right, so let's see what's different here. So these come 2 in a pack. That one says Forever Friends. I like that. Let me see what this one says. Okay, that's just a regular plushie. I love you. But I'm liking that double, that frog says Forever Friends. Those are nice. Okay, more plushies over here. Aw, he's so cute. So they brought back the soup cups with the covers on them, and then I'm loving these cups right here. So those are really nice. I'll just scan those through, and then these are really nice too. They brought back the containers, double-sided containers. Like you can put a snack on the bottom here. You could even have a room for dressing, for sauce, salad. I love these things. I use them all the time. So we have the Cuddly Cuties, the Tootsie Roll Pops, and can't have Valentine's Day without these conversation hearts. I love those. And then we have the gummy bears. Okay, the Starbursts. The treat bags. Here are the treat bags. I can't even think about eating this stuff. Happy Valentine's Day. Yeah, I think we saw these. All right, so then here we have the little hearts. Okay. And the Tootsie Roll. The Queen Anne. And the Thin Mints if you guys like mints. And the little box of chocolates. So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree. Just a glance over there. Valentine's Day stuff. They're still bringing stuff out. Look, they have some huge roses over there. Aren't they beautiful? All right, guys, I'll talk to you in the next video.